Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Filecoin broke out a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this descending triangle, the price end was rejected by this long-term resistance of $4.60. In fact, from $4.60 to $5, we have a quite long-term resistance on. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone from $4.60 to $5 had been previously working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, and resistance zone here. And for several weeks, it had been working as a support zone. And now again, it is working as a very strong resistance. And after getting rejected by this resistance zone, the price and drop down, retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support. And now it is once again geared up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term down channel and another very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for LTO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. Like when you will scroll it down here, and here you can see this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And here you can also watch when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared almost 7 days ago with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, Filecoin is moving inside this very big and long-term descending triangle. By the way, we found the support and resistance of this triangle when it was moving inside this previous down channel. We found the support here on 5th of July 2024 and resistance we found here on 17th of July after this bounce. Then you can see that we got rejected, bounce, and this time the price was rejected by the resistance of the channel. And finally, after this bounce, the price broke out the resistance of the channel. After one rejection, it broke out the resistance. But after the breakout from this channel, it was again getting rejected by the resistance of this descending triangle. And finally, we have also broken out the resistance of the triangle. But after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by this resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5 and retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support. And now it is once again geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it can make another attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this descending triangle is here. That is approximately at $5.76 and slightly higher than this target. We have another quite long-term resistance of $6.36 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $6.36 has been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, let me just show you first this previous breakout from this down channel. I just forgot to tell you about this channel, this one. You can see that we have also broken out this channel on the daily time frame chart as well. And the target for the breakout from this channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $12. And by the way, at $11.40, we have another quite long-term resistance. If we move back to the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $11.40 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and again worked as a resistance here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, by the way, now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart. And here, the target for the breakout from this wedge can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.